previous video we have discussed about the indeterminate forms of 0 by 0, infinite by infinite and 0 into infinite. Now we are going to discuss about the indeterminate form of the infinite minus infinite, 1 raised to infinite, infinite raised to 0 and 0 raised to 0. So in such cases how we can solve the limit. But our target is going to be what? Whenever we have given that this one forms. So in that case we will convert in terms of 0 by 0, otherwise infinite by infinite forms. And after that we are able to apply the L'Hopital rule. So let's have a look at the first form, infinite minus infinite, that is the indeterminate form. So in that case what we are going to consider. Suppose you have given that the function f of x minus c of x, and if we get the limiting concept as infinite minus infinite, so in that case we have to convert to 0 by 0, otherwise infinite by infinite. Suppose that this function can be represented as 1 divided by another function, that is 1 divided by g of x minus 1 divided by first function f of x divided by 1 divided by f of x into g of x. But whenever we simplify this one, so we will get this one form. That means what we are trying to convert 0 by 0, otherwise in terms of infinite by infinite forms. And after that we can apply L'Hopital rule. So let us first consider example, limit x tends to 1, 1 divided by log x minus x divided by x minus 1. So when we put here x is equal 1, so what we are going to get? 1 divided by 0 minus 1 divided by 0, that is infinite minus infinite, that means there is no conclusion, and that is called indeterminate form. So we have to first convert into 0 by 0, otherwise infinite by infinite forms. So here first we are going to consider this is the first f of x and this is our g of x. So 1 divided by 0 of x, and that can be written as x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by f of x, that means 1 divided by 1 divided by log x, but we know that denominator of the denominator it goes to numerator, so we get here log x, and divided by 1 divided by f of x into g of x, so we can represent x minus 1 divided by x into log x. But after taking the LCM x, we get the form limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 minus x times log x divided by x minus 1 into log x. But when we put here x is equal 1, so it is going to be form 0 by 0. That means it is of the form indeterminate. That means we can apply here L'Hopital rule. So when we apply the derivative for the numerator, so we get 1 minus, and so product rule is that, so x is the derivative of the log x, that is 1 by x, plus log x is the derivative of x, that is 1, divided by derivative of the denominator, so product rule is that, so we get this one. But after simplifying we get a minus log x divided by log x plus x minus 1 times 1 divided by x. But again LCM x is there from the denominator, so what we are going to get, limit x tends to 1 minus x log x divided by x into log x plus x minus 1. Again it is of the form 0 by 0. That means we have to use the L'Hopital rule. So we get here minus log x minus 1 divided by log x plus 1 plus 1. But when we apply here x is equal 1, so we get log 1, that is 0. So what we are going to get, 0 minus 1, that is minus 1 divided by 2, and that is the final answer. So another question, limit x tends to 0, 1 divided by x square minus 1 divided by sin square x. But this is what exactly infinite minus infinite form. So that means we want here 0 by 0, otherwise infinite by infinite form. But for our simplicity, just take LCM from this one, x square into sin square x. So what we are going to get, sin square x minus x square divided by x square sin square x, and it is of the form 0 by 0. Again we can observe from the denominator that sin square x is there, again function x is there. That means we can use the standard limit. So in that case what we must have? We must have divide by x square as well as multiply by x square. So what I am just going to consider, denominator that can be written as x square, and we get x square sin square x into x square. But we are able to consider this is what exactly our standard forms, and the remaining form will be sin square x minus x square divided by x raised to 4. So standard form is there, so limit can be considered only 1, and limit x tends to 0, sin square x minus x square divided by x raised to 4. But again from this x is equal 0, so we get the 0 by 0 form. That means we can apply L'Hopital rule. So 2 times sin x into cos x minus 2x divided by 4x cube. Again we have to apply x is equal 0, so we get the 0 by 0 form. Still we can apply the L'Hopital rule and so on, and we get the final minus 8 cos 2x divided by 24. But if we put x is equal 0, so we get minus 8 divided by 24, and that is what, minus 1 by 3, and that is the final answer. So now we have the indeterminate form of the type 1 raised to infinite, infinite raised to 0 and 0 raised to 0. That means there is no conclusion for the limit. So what we are going to consider? So let us see first simple question. Suppose you have given that the question limit x tends to 0, x raised to x. You say 0 raised to 0, answer is 0. But this is not the case. So for that type of question, what we are going to consider? First we will assume that L is equal this one. So first apply the ln. So ln L is equal ln of limit x tends to 0, x raised to x. But we know that ln is nothing but continuous function. So we can say limit x tends to 0, ln of x raised to x. But again we are able to apply that limit x tends to 0, we get x into ln x. But when we apply the limiting concept, so what we are going to get, that is 0 into infinite, and that is what the indeterminate forms. So what we are going to do, we have to consider that is 0 by 0, otherwise infinite by infinite forms. So here limit x tends to 0, ln x divided by 1 divided by x. But it is the same as this one. But when we apply the L'Hopital rule, so here we get the infinite by infinite form. So we get the L'Hopital rule. So here we can apply L'Hopital rule. So derivative of the numerator, that is 1 by x, and derivative of the denominator, that is minus 1 divided by x square. So after simplifying, we will get the limit x tends to 0 minus x. But what we are going to get, that is 0. So conclusion says we get ln L. ln L is equal, that is 0. But whenever we take the antilog, otherwise you may say, when we consider exponential function, L is equal what, that is e raised to 0, and but e raised to 0 is nothing but 1, and that is what exactly our final answer. So similar concept you can apply for this type. Already I have said that limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x raised to 1 by x. But whenever you put x is equal 0, so it is of the form what exactly, 1 raised to infinite, and that is the indeterminate form. So in that case also you have to follow the same procedure. This one example you can try to solve yourself and hope that you will get the answer, that is the E. Now let's have a look at the first working rule whenever we have this type of forms. So in that case, first already I have explained in the example, but let us look at the quickly what we will do for the particular question. So L is equal something, and after that we are going to consider ln on the both the side, and then we will assume that the standard property of the logarithm, we will get this one, and after that we will get the 0 into infinite forms. So in that case we will try to convert in 0 by 0, otherwise infinite by infinite forms, and after that we will eligible to get the indeterminate, we will eligible to apply the L'Hopital rule, and that will be the ln L, otherwise log L is equal k. But whenever we consider log, so in that case keep in mind that base is what, exactly E. So after taking antilog, you will get the L is equal e raised to k. So let us look at the first question. Limit x tends to 0, a raised to x plus b raised to x plus c raised to x divided by 3 raised to 1 divided by 3x is equal abc raised to 1 by 9. That means we want to show that LHS is equal RHS. So first we start with the LHS. Just first take L is equal. So what we have to consider, take log on the both this side. So we get this one. Again we have to apply the logarithm property. So we get this one. But if we put x is equal 0, so we get the infinite into 0. So for that what we have to consider, 0 by 0, there was infinite by infinite. So just put here. At 1 divided by 3x as a denominator, so we get this one form, and we get the 0 by 0 form. That means we can apply a L'Hopital rule, So just do derivative with respect to x for the numerator as well as denominator. So we get this form, and if we put x is equal 0 and if we simplify, so we get the answer that is the 1 by 9 log a b c, and that is what exactly log L. But we know that when we apply the antilog on the both the sides, so what we are going to get, L is equal ABC raised to 1 by 9, and that is the final answer. So now let's have a look at the quickly another question. Limit x tends to 0, 1 divided by x raised to 10x. So first we put x is equal 0, so we get infinite raised to 0. This is another form. That means there is no conclusion for the limit. That means we have to consider indeterminate forms, and for that we have to consider 0 by 0, otherwise infinite by infinite forms. So just take log on the both side, follow the logarithm property, so we get this one. Again we have to apply the 0 by 0, otherwise infinite by infinite form, so we get this one. 1 divided by 10x can be written as 1 divided by cot x. So again we have infinite by infinite, so just do derivative with respect to x, so we get limit x tends to 0 minus 1 by x divided by minus cos x square x, and after simplifying we get this one. But again there is the standard form is there, sin x is there, but again denominator x is there. So this can be written as what, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into sin x. So what we can assume that this is the limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into limit x tends to 0 sin x. But this is the first standard form, that is 1, and this is sin 0, that is 0. 1 into 0, so answer is what, that is 0. But instead of that you can apply this one form also, sin square x divided by x square into x. But when you apply the standard form, so you can write as a limiting form, and this is what exactly 1 and this is going to be 0. So finally we will get the answer 0. So this is the final answer, log L is equal 0. Now just take antilog and you will get the L is equal e raised to 0, and e raised to 0 is what exactly 1. Now this is another question. So again you can see each and every step. I'm not going to discuss in detail. Just take log on the both side, then convert to 0 by 0, otherwise infinite by infinite form. Apply the L'Hopital rule and you will get this one form. And after simplifying, whenever it is required, just use the factorization form and you will get the answer 2 by 2, that is 1. Log L is equal 1, and don't forget to take the antilog, so you will get the L is equal e raised to 1. And these are the practice example. First what you have to consider, which form is that, and based on that you have to decide that what we have to do. So in this video we have covered different forms of the indeterminate form. First, that is infinite minus infinite. Another was 1 raised to infinite, 0 raised to 0, infinite raised to 0. And based on that we can evaluate the limits. Thank you for watching.